Hey guys, so this is pretty crazy. I upgraded my reload ammo, and once again, instead of the OP tank, the OP machine gun. Okay, so let's do this. Thanks for the support, guys. Love you guys, and keeps and smash your face into that like button, or smash bullets into the like button. Get it? Okay, I'll be quiet. So let's upgrade that. Oh my gosh, you guys, are you seeing how fast we shoot? Oh, you want to go, bro? Oh my gosh, I guess he does. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I just died to him. You guys, we're still gonna go for the machine gun still, because I promise you guys that in action you shall receive. It's happening. And thanks to that. So let's try to do the same strategy. Alright. Oh my gosh. Uh wow. Caught up. Uh I promise I'm not a hacker. Okay, so see if we can get number one on the leaderboard again. That'll be awesome. Oh no, it's that one guy. Well, I was. Let's try to kill this guy. Yes. Oh, we don't do that much damage, but our reload is so awesome. Are you guys seeing this? Our bullets is going straight through him. Give me the kill. Yes, give me the yes. You guys, again, we're tank.io. The most lucky name ever. Alright, so we picked up that kill. So hope. Are we even on the leaderboard? No, we're not. We have to beat. Don't tell me I'm gonna die again. Oh my gosh. Let's buy one in regeneration so we don't die that easily. Oh my gosh, are you guys seeing this? Let's go for this guy. I saw him. Did he run away? I think he did. Oh, do you think let's try to take on the shotgun? We're winning so far. Doing pretty good. Oh my gosh. All of our bullets are blocking his. Can we get him? Yes. We try to get this guy. Yes, we upgraded. Homie, you can't. No, you can't. You can't beat me. Okay, let's hurry up and clean up this guy. And oh my gosh. Oh, we're on the leaderboard if you guys can see right there. So we're doing pretty good. We try to get another kill. Oh, we killed him. Yes. It's so fun because we can just literally spam it. Like, we can just hold down the button and it will kill him. That easy. Like, I just killed him right there. Oh my gosh, do that kill. Oh my god. We are doing so good. Oh, you want to go? I don't think you want to go now. Get wrecked. Like, honestly. All these bullets are hitting him, yes. Doing good damage. Okay, we got that kill. I don't think you want to go. Oh my gosh. The OP machine gun. Uh, you want to go, homie? I I don't think you want to go against me. Correct. I don't think this guy wants to go. No, I can't deal with another shotgun. Yes. It's by one regeneration. Yes! We're second in the leaderboard. Hopefully, we can be first. Okay, let's do this. Ooh, we are working everybody. Oh wait, we might die. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is what happened with the OP tank. We were like really low. We were, oh my gosh. What's your armor at, bro? Get wrecked. You want to go too? No, no. Come on, I want to be nice, okay? But you guys are making it hard for me. Oh, come on, yes. GG, homie. Okay. Oh my gosh, we're so close to being first in the leaderboard. Come on. He's like 1,000 ahead of us. Just spray everything. Take that. Just no, he's a dang it. Fiddlesticks. Oh, I picked up that kill. That was beautiful. Get wrecked. Get wrecked. Oh my gosh, we're almost at 100. Come on. Give me the dang it. What am I saying? No, we're not almost at 100. Pasta. I mean. Well, you guys, that's gonna be all for today. Sorry. What? Bye.